So I had my 2 to 7 with me after my 7 to 2. I'm just leaving work now. I was thinking about filming some content when I got home and possibly reading, but we shall see. I've been home for a little while now. I uploaded my daily shorts and then I just filmed a little MeUndies unboxing. So this is one of the items that I got. This is their U-back bra in their feline print and I got a size large. I love these bralettes. They're so comfortable. I wear them under like hoodies and whatever. Very, very comfy, cozy. Then I got the matching thong in a size large. I just love a good matching set, but I love their feel-free underwear. They're so comfortable and so breathable. I'm obsessed. You guys want to check out MeUndies, I do have a code. It's partner for 20% off your purchase. So next I'm going to edit my TikTok of the day, and if you're not following me on TikTok already, you should go follow me. I'm really trying to grow my TikTok. For the longest time I never wanted to make social media my job, but now I'm like falling in love with social media and like wanting to make it my job, and I really just like want to grow my TikTok more. I've been uploading more TikTok shop videos more often, and I've been doing this because I really want to get out of the super toxic work environment that I'm in. And I kind of did talk about this like on my TikTok, but I've been doing social media for 10 years this year. I just want something to take off. And TikTok, like I have been making some money off of TikTok shop. It's nothing crazy. I'm not making like tens of thousands of dollars like some creators are. I'm making Starbucks money basically, but it's something. It's better than nothing, but I really like want to make something out of that. I just feel like I can. So if you guys want to follow me, I would greatly appreciate it. I have it linked down below and I'll have it on the screen somewhere. TikTok for me like is fun. I actually enjoy it, and obviously YouTube too, but this job market is garbage. It's so bad. Before I started filming this, I did respond to some emails about jobs, but the other thing is like I don't know what's legit and what's not legit anymore. The one job was through Indeed, but pray for me that one of them is legit. Now I'm going to edit a TikTok, which is probably my favorite part of the whole content creating process. I love editing and I feel like a lot of people don't, but I've like learned through TikTok actually like how to edit my videos a little more better and make them a little more fun, and I've just been having some fun with that. So I'm going to edit that and I'll check back in when I'm done editing. Sitting in my bed, thank God, feels so good. I edited my TikTok and uploaded my TikTok. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go check it out. Leave some comments if you do. While I was editing, I started an episode of A Real Housewives of Miami. I think I'm on season 6. I binged season 5. Oh my God, so good, so good. I was very apprehensive about starting Miami. Love Miami. But if you watch Housewives, let me know in the comments down below. I think I've watched pretty much every franchise. I've watched New Jersey, New York, Orange County, Beverly Hills, watching Miami, Salt Lake. I love Salt Lake. I feel like I'm missing one. I definitely think I'm going to start Potomac next. Potomac's all in the news right now, so I gotta start that. And then after Potomac, I think I'm going to do Atlanta. I'm just going to hang out in bed for a little while and read on my Kindle. I love just having Housewives on in the background and reading. I am gonna be starting The Fix, which is by Mia Sheridan. This is my October first reads choice. I finished The Conditions of Will last night and oh my God, I loved that book. 5-star read. If you have not read it, go read it. I'll link it down below if you guys want to get it on Kindle. I'll link the Kindle version and then the physical book. But I'm going to start The Fix and I'll let you guys know how far I get and if it's any good. Looking at my outfit for tomorrow, these are American Eagle jeans. And the shirt's from Amazon. It's really cute because it has this like fun little print down the sleeve. It's super cute, super different. Probably gonna wear this with boots. I got to 10% in my book. Pretty good so far. I'm only on chapter 6. Probably gonna read another chapter or two after I shower. before bed. So I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know if you like these types of videos. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments if you want more of these. Follow me on all social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.